Sean. Hi, Sylwin!
Hello, Seth!
Good morning! Kumusta?
Eto, okay naman, Seth. So, kumustahin naman natin yung mga distributors natin. Have you heard the news?
Yes, sa Visayas. To all our distributors, I hope all is well and safe. Ingat po tayo palagi. I hope wala akong may na-discussion sa inyo. Mag-ingat po tayo. And yeah, mag-pray lang po tayo para po sa
Yes,
sa
that's
safety
right.
natin, di ba? Pero maloka, I was in Tacloban, I was in Palo yesterday, and friend, yanig talaga ang Palo and Tacloban, ang Region 8, grabe. Then, blackout, tsaka nagkasunog. Kala ko nga friend, naghuhukom na.
Yes, kaya nga.
Malo.
Kaya we're very grateful
Right,
na
right.
talagang naitawid muna natin yung launch natin sa
Correct.
before that incident happened.
Yes, correct. Although we're not saying na happy kami na naglumindol na wala na, tapos na yung launch namin ng Greenman, hindi naman. Pero yun nga, lahat nakakagulat. Ganun talaga, di ba? Pag lindol, hindi natin malalaman na lindol na pala, nakakaloka. 6.7.
Parang ginawang 6.9. Natin na 6.9.
Goodness. Grabe yung nakita mo yung video dun sa sa yung bridge na
Tsaka yung simbahan.
na bumuho, no?
Tsaka yung mga truck sa
Kawawa naman yung
SM.
mga tao. I have a lot of friends in Cebu. I hope you guys are all okay. And sa mga distributors namin, ingat po tayo. Kasi we felt like kailangan namin talagang kailangan natin siyang kumustahin. Kasi nga I think yun ang pinakamalakas na lindol na parang na-experience ko in my life talaga, friends. Ano pa lang ako ngayon? 22.
What?
Oo. In my 22. Maniwala ka. Hindi na niniwala. In my 22 years of existence. But, yeah, yun pa lang pinakamalakas na lindol. Hindi naman sa hanap ko ng experience ko sa tanang buhay ko. Oo, friend.
Sana huwag maulit pa yung ganong kalakas na
Correct. Nakakatakot. Let's all pray. Ang laki kayo natutulong ng prayer.
Yes.
Di ba, friend? Ako naniniwala talaga. I have a strong faith. That's for sure. In my 22 years of existence,
Wow!
22 pa lang kasi ako, friend. Di ba?
Halata naman
Di ba? Alam mo yan. But anyway, today is Wednesday and di ba, as we promised, yung Wednesday, yan ang CEO Day namin. Isa palagi yung Yes.
Every Wednesday.
Siya ang guest namin. And every Wednesday, we have different topics to tackle. Kasi ang dami ng experience niya. Ang lawak ng experience niya. Our topic for today is about self-empowerment. Di ba interesting? Should you have questions, you want to ask for like advice or tips, comment nyo lang kasi para mabasa namin and then ma-erase namin sa president namin. Di ba?
Yes.
So, anyway, kumusta kayo yung nasa Cebu kami, friend?
Okay naman kami dito, Ses. Life goes on. Wow.
At naman
Works goes on.
Correct. Kahit remote, friend.
Yes.
Orders. Trabaho, lagari, labada. Dahil tayo ay alipin ng salapi, inagbibigay.
Yes, since
Say hello to Mama
our
Lily.
topic is all about self-empowerment.
Yes.
Have you ever visited self-doubt?
Well, most of the time, mag-doubt ako sa mga decisions. Kaya, grateful ako sa sa mga taong nakapaligid sa akin, guiding me, teaching me. Shoutout muna tayo kay Mr. Neil Zamora. Hi,
Hi, Sir Neil.
Ikaw ba?
Yes, Ses, of course.
Hindi mo kasi part siya ng growth natin.
Oo,
Di ba?
we're able to
To learn.
Yes.
Di ba?
Ganun din sa TV.
I have visited self-doubt multiple times.
Di ba, friend?
Yes.
Kasi lahat naman yata tayo.
Hindi lang self-doubt,
Ilan taon ka na,
like
friend?
bouts of insecurities,
Correct.
bouts of fear.
Correct.
At my age, 24.
Di ba? 24 lang siya. Ako, 22 pa lang.
Wow! Mas matanda pala ako sa
Anyway, so these are some of the topics that we will tackle today. And without further ado, let us all welcome again, for the second time, on our third episode, the President and the CEO of Green Mile, Ms. May Pitilia. Diba? Hi, Madam! Beso, beso.
Wala kayong beso! Okay. Yeah, CEO Day ba?
CEO Day. ang
Ayan,
Wednesday.
ayan, ayan. Okay.
Kasi we believe that in your experience, gusto ang dami mong share mo sa kanila. For
Nasa
sure.
edad ba yan?
Nasa edad yan. Gusto. Kaya na, half lang ang age natin.
Oh my goodness!
Ganon! Totoo
Oo
yan.
nga.
Believe that. Charot.
Okay, sige, batiin muna natin ang ating mga viewers. Hello, hello, hello. It's a Wednesday. Panalo ang araw na to. Thank you for joining us for this episode
Indeed,
ng
it is.
live ng ating
Wednesday.
Green Mile Sass.
Sean.
Okay. Interesting pala ang ating topic today. But before that, I was advised, one of my classmates
Yes.
in Cebu says, hi, hello, Neil Zamora.
Hello.
He's my elementary classmate. Too bad you weren't able to make it to our launch, but the mom and the brother actually visited us doon sa
Wopex.
Wopex.
Yes.
Tita Ferna at saka si
Correct.
Rijal. Thank you for your support, Neil. Kape-kape ka muna dyan sa Cebu. And I'd also like to take this opportunity to say hello sa ating mga G-Milers, distributors sa Cebu na sana okay lang po kayong lahat dyan. Because of what happened last night, there was a really earth-shaking
Super.
na catastrophe.
Actually,
Kita ko ang ibang videos,
Right.
di ba?
And minessage kita.
Oo, na
Sir,
sobrang ano.
Ang lakas ng lindol and
And to think that was late eh.
yeah, right. Tapos sabi ko, Sir, bakit black out ang the whole region 8? Kasi I have friends in Samar na may mga notes or stories na black out ang place nila sa Katbalogan. Sabi ko, ha? Bakit lahat?
Because I think there was an NGCP notice.
Mhm.
Ito lang for information of everyone, no, bago tayo
Correct.
pumunta. Because this is part of empowerment.
It is. Correct.
Because
correct.
it's power.
Yes.
It's electricity and energy, no? Because I think the grid has to be checked. Ang grid, yun yung mga nakikita nyo parang mga robot
Robot,
sa mga
malaking
bundok.
poste,
Oo,
yun.
oo. Pag may ganyan na mga bagyo, may mga earthquake, they would have to do a check para lang to make sure na ang dadaloy na kuryente, since it's our energy and electricity highway, is safe at hindi mag-over ang voltage, mag-low ang voltage, kasi sasaluhin siya ng mga poste doon sa respective towns. Kung may mga pumutok, may mga napatid, toppled, for that matter, it has to be fixed before we put it, before we let the power flow again.
So, para lang klaro sa kanila, how do they check or evaluate the situation? Kasi kung ganon, just for the information of everybody, na-inform mo yata sila, di ba? You were from, you work for,
Department of
yes,
Energy in
yes,
the past.
Yes.
In my past life.
Correct,
Oo.
correct.
And that was during Yolanda.
Correct. So, kaya medyo alam
Kaya
na.
medyo sanay kami sa kalamidad in a way. Now, how do
Parang
they check
picture lang
it?
nila, yes.
How do they check it? Since these are located in different areas, mostly rural and isolated areas, NGCP would have air assets like choppers to check on those connections para lang makita. Although, sa center ng NGCP, meron yan sinasabing command center na nag-monitor nila lahat kung ano ang nangyayari and if there are certain issues within the grid.
Right.
Then yun pupuntahan. They also do aerial inspection. When we were still with Department of Energy during Yolanda, the former secretary who happens to be my boss, Secretary Piglia, we did aerial inspection just to check on coupled ng mga green lines or even the posts, those yung parang mga robot.
Yeah,
Sa-
yung malaking post.
Yeah, and then only when it is certified that everything is safe, that we allow the energy or power or electricity to flow back into the distribution lines. Yan naman yung mga poste na nakikita natin sa mga barangay, sa ating towns. Because it might cause an even more serious problem if they do not check.
Correct. So now you know.
Now you know,
Diba?
buti na lang. Nag-swak rin pala ito.
Yes.
Oo. Dapat tayo ng
Time yan
mga...
relevant.
Yes, dapat tayo rin ng mga gumagamit ng kuryente at nasa mga ganitong sitwasyon, naiintindihan rin natin ang proseso. Although I know how inconvenient, how uncomfortable it is to really not to have power because the most expensive is not to have power at all.
Truly.
Yan.
Lalo nung Diyos ko, ma-experience tayo nung
Si Yolanda,
New Year
also, yung
last
New
year.
Year din, diba?
Kami kasi you were in
The US.
the US. Kami, pero wala kami kuryente. New Year, nakakaloka.
Hindi happy ang New Year.
Hindi happy ang New Year.
Black ang New Year.
Black ang New Year, nakakaloka.
Yes.
Anyway, so much for that. Maraming salamat sa information, di
And
ba?
I hope the power comes soon.
Correct. Correct. Well, meron na konti-unti. Nakita ko
That's
post,
nice.
konti-unti.
Yes.
Bumabalik na yung
ganun.
electricity
Every
sa atin.
area would have to be cleared
Yes.
para lang safe for everyone.
Kasi, the reason why I asked that, kasi may mga taong nagreklamo, kasi ganito,
hindi
para
kasi
may
siya-
clear understanding kayo sa kung ano ang totoong nangyayari.
Yes.
Hindi siya ganun kadali.
In fairness, may mga public service
Ba-
ka.
alam mo na, this
Public
is-
service
it's-
information.
It's genetic.
Oh my goodness.
Runs in the blood.
Sources of information.
Nako, diba?
Oo.
Anyway, so today, madam, our topic is about self-empowerment. So, sino pa naman ang
Pressure.
dapat namin i-guess other than you? There's no better guest other than Ms. May Cecilia.
On
Of
self-empowerment.
course, totoo.
Oo.
So, yun ma'am, how do you define self-empowerment?
Yeah. I was listening to you and Sylvain earlier na you were talking about self-doubt.
Yes.
Sino ba ang walang self-doubt?
Yes.
Even myself, no, when I was younger, even for us, a bit older folks, we still do have self-doubts in different layers, in different phases of our lives. Kaya ko ba to? Pwede ba to? Kakayanin ko ba to? That's always the question eh. So, technically, di ba they say, ang auntie natin palagi niyan sinasabi, believe in yourself, otherwise no one else will.
True.
Remember that?
True.
I've always carried that all throughout my life. And then, of course, people also, sometimes even young professionals, they always tend to feel stuck. Yung tipong feeling mo walang nangyayari. Even for us in the middle age, no? We always or sometimes feel na, parang walang nangyayari. Parang hanggang dito na lang ba? Parang nangangarap ako pero I feel so stuck. There's not much progress. Ang iba rin medyo naiinip. That's the
Right.
term I think for Tagalog. Because everyone is also moving forward. You tend to compare yourself with other people. That's why insecurities come in, the comparison comes in, your being competitive comes in. That's why all these quotes saying that believe in your own timeline,
Right.
this all comes out. Why? Because technically, And essentially, as people, we really have our own growth timeline.
Right.
Okay? It may be slow, but still, it's progress.
Mhm.
Diba? That's why, for us, who has been experienced, who have gone through a lot, no, we always say it's always progress over perfection. Diba? Hindi kasi pwedeng perfect lahat. Ito na, this is the best life. No, we still have progress. And when we talk about self-empowerment, that should start on a mindset.
Right.
Ang tawag doon is growth mindset. Knowing that there are certain aspects in our life that would still improve. You don't, di ba pag halimbawa sa pag-ibig sasabihin mo, no, take me as I am. La, di ba, Doy? Ganun ka ba, friend?
Oh, hindi yun. Hindi yun.
Oo. Minsan kasi, we just don't become who we are with just one version.
Correct.
As I always say, we are layered, no? So, and we are also entitled to any improvement. Improvement in the aspects of health, improvement in the aspects of wellness, improvement in the aspects of career, even our characters.
True.
Because change is always the constant thing.
In this world,
Diba?
yes.
Yes, and in this world, for you to become empowered, you have to accept and to develop growth mindset.
True.
I can always improve. Diba? There are also times where we can say, if I am weak in this area, I think I can take this an opportunity to grow more.
Right.
Professionally, personally, financially, emotionally, and even psychologically when you take care of your mental health. Palagi kang anxious, palagi kang envious, jealous of how people are living their lives.
Totoo.
Our mom would always tell us, ang pinakapangit na ugali is ang pagiging inggitera.
Totoo.
Diba?
Totoo.
I would always take that from mama. But then, sometimes a healthy competition will not also hurt. Why? Because part of the growth mindset is when you tend to see people not necessarily in competition of you,
Right.
but inspiring you,
Correct.
you go to the next one.
Yeah.
It pushes you to do self-care
Correct.
and well-being.
Depende yata yan sa pag yung perspective nila.
Mindset.
Diba?
Yes,
Diba?
that you take things into a good perspective na you only take the good
Correct.
out of those people
Correct.
to be able to imbibe it personally so that whatever is good in those people, you also develop it in yourself.
Yeah. It helps you to grow.
Correct.
Diba?
You become a summation of all the goodness of other people.
Right.
Spell summation, die.
I-shot-shot ko lang siya. Kailangan sa mga
That's that, oo. Ito ang show na
Ito,
impromptu
impromptu.
lahat.
impromptu yung mga sagot ko. Pero actually ready ako.
Oo. But technically, it actually is good to have healthy competition,
Yes.
to have influences,
Mhm.
both personal or even your idols can also give you
True.
influence because that pushes you to take care of yourself.
Correct.
Number one, number two is self-empowerment is related to self-care. If you want to feel good, if you want people to let you see good in you, then you have to start it within. It's an inner work. No, we always say it's an inner work. Peace of mind, you come to terms with yourself, you understand yourself, you know your weaknesses, you know your strength, you know when to take the opportunity to improve yourself, and then you also have to know how to take care of yourself, your health, your mental wellness.
Correct.
Kailangan ba you are surrounded with more positive energy to become more positive, right? To have a better working environment, to be more productive, you know? Spend time with people that makes your soul happy.
Correct.
You laugh at the same things, you like the same things, or even when you're opposite, but you feel like you're comfortable because you got a yellow friend or a yellow person in him. What does that mean when it's a yellow person? Di nyo yan alam, friend. A yellow person is someone whom you can be yourself and you can open up and be everything you are
Sasabihin mo na
without
sana yun.
any judgment. Sige, friend, ilaban mo.
Yun ang ibig sabihin,
Oo.
paunahan niya lang ako. Pero yun.
Oo, because that adds to your well-being.
Correct.
Di ba sabi nga nila, tell me who your friends are and I'll tell you who you are.
That is correct.
At because at some point, there are certain influences within our circles that become us.
Right.
So be the light, be the wellness, so that people can also imbibe your energy, the optimism, the prayer, the faith, diba?
Right.
And even the practicality, the relevance of perspectives,
Everything.
things like that.
Correct.
Because in a way, you tend to influence each other.
Yes.
So that also tends to form your well-being. So from growth mindset, you get into self-care and well-being. Next, now that you are feeling good about yourself, you know that you are doing better as a person, then you do goal setting and action.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
To improve further any other aspect of your life. Could it be personal relationships? You will be a better mother, you will be a better friend, you will be a better partner, you will be a better worker or employee. That's the goal. No? You set goals. But of course, there should be action in
Correct.
accordance to the goal.
Goal.
How do I become a better partner? Maybe I should be more thoughtful. Maybe I should check on him more. Or maybe I should fulfill my role as a partner more. How can I be a better professional? I should go earlier, not late. I should deliver my deliverables. Being able to comply, reportorial responsibilities, tasks. Because at the end of the day, your productivity would always make you feel good. At the same time, it adds to not necessarily being too conscious about validation from your bosses, but guess what? It feels good. You feel motivated
Right.
when you are being recognized. It makes you do better. Diba? Ako, as a manager and as a leader, no, I have always believed in the saying na acknowledge in public but reprimand in private. Because there is due credit when you recognize the effort of a team, just like our team, no, or the employee, because they deserve it. They deserve the credit for a job well done on a specific project, on a specific task. But there are also times where you need to take them into your room for reprimand. Not necessarily to pinpoint on certain mistakes, but to help them improve in certain areas. Because the best gauge of being a good manager and being a good leader is to produce better managers and better leader than you are.
True.
Diba? You do not suspend the growth of your staff. Instead, you help them to become like you or better than you.
True. True.
And to do that, you also have to trust them. Delegate. You don't do things for them. Let them learn. Let them deliver. Let them feel the accomplishment for them to be recognized of the due credit that you owe them. By then, they feel good. They feel more encouraged. They feel more motivated because they know they have your support.
And they're being valued.
And they are being valued.
True.
Their contribution to the company is being valued.
Correct.
So that's how it is.
Correct.
By then, it also adds to their well-being. Then action takes place. They do better. They feel good. You'd feel also good seeing them growing.
Boost yan eh.
Yes, it becomes a good influence within the organization, within the family. It betters all other relationships. No?
Correct.
So that's it. Of course, it's not perfect. There would always be bull sessions where you will agree, disagree. The best and healthiest organizations are those organizations who disagree.
I agree.
Because when you agree all the time, there must be something wrong.
I agree.
Right? Because when you disagree, meaning people and all other moving parts are thinking. Meaning all other parts of the organization are working. Meaning all other parts of organizations are putting value to certain input. By then, we reconcile. As an organization, as a family, in a relationship, then you move forward. It becomes a healthier relationship all throughout. By then also, ikaw as a person, you're reconciled. You are reconciled of the fact that, ooh, I can be valued. Ooh, I can contribute. Yeah, kaya ko pala. You become more empowered. You become more proactive. You think more. You exercise more in terms of decision making.
Right.
You contribute more. You add more input. By then, you live and love your best life, regardless whatever is your position in an organization. Because it's not about the title. It's not about the position. It's about your value in the team, in your family, in your relationship.
Correct. Makes you productive.
It makes you
Diba?
more productive. It makes you more motivated. You feel more empowered. Diba?
Totoo.
And then lastly, your social connections and assertiveness. Also, when you develop relationships, even for personal relationships, working relationships, professional relationships, associations, make sure that you also develop boundaries. Sometimes, especially when you're younger, you're all yes people, di ba? Because you feel like saying no is awkward. Setting boundaries is awkward. For example, pagod na pagod ka na sa weekend, pero lalabas ang barkada. Pag wala ako, meaning off ako. Diba? Hindi ako kasama sa gimmick. Which actually, your body is screaming to rest.
Correct.
Diba? Your body is telling you to take some time to listen to it. So take some time to rest. Take some time to build your energy back, to recharge. Because you need your health, your wellness, your body, your mindset again for the following week. Diba? So not being able to join the barkada and saying no is actually okay.
It is.
Diba? That is setting boundaries and prioritizing yourself. Because you know that there are far other responsibilities that you have to deliver. And that no will make you be a better yes in your organization, in your relationships, diba? So, one no will not ruin any friendship. Because if it's a good friendship,
And true.
there should be, and true, there should be understanding.
Correct.
There should be respect of time, personal space.
Yes.
Doesn't necessarily, di ba pag bata pa tayo, I've been through a lot of groups and crew and associations and organizations, parang yung feeling mo dapat pare-pareho ng hobbies, pare-pareho ng suot, pare-pareho ng gusto, pare-pareho ng gagawin, kasi dapat pare-pareho buo ang picture.
Dapat andun kayo lahat.
Oo, dapat andun lahat lagi. Where in fact, as we grow older and as we go into different phases of our lives, iba-iba na ang priorities. So dapat ang maintenance ng friendship a bit lower than you used to be. For example, ang iba may anak na, ang iba may asawa na. So iba na ang dynamics and we should respect that. Iba rin ang priorities, iba ang responsibilities. Ang iba naman, lalaki na ang anak, kayang iwanan. Pero ang iba, maliliit pa ang anak. So they can't be there for you. And it's not because they don't like you as a friend, but it's because that's their dynamics right now. That's where they are right now in their lives. And knowing that people understand, the friends understand of where I am right now, practically also improves your well-being. Because you feel supported. You feel connected even if you're not there. You feel that they understand. And that is growth. remember, growth doesn't happen when it's always comfortable.
Totoo.
Growth happens when your grit and character is tested.
Totoo.
When your discipline is being tested. Growth happens when it's too uncomfortable because that's where you learn from the experience.
Yes.
You gain more wisdom, you gain more experience, you become better, you grow as a person.
Yeah.
Dumami ang kaibigan mo, pero lahat naman sila hindi ka naiintindihan. You'd rather stick to a smaller group of
Yep.
number na naiintindihan ka, di ba? Mapagsasabihan mo,
Yeah.
yung mga ganon. Kasi kayo ng mga younger generation, especially kasi you're only 22.
Exactly. I'm the younger.
Dito
I am
sa
the younger.
organization.
I know.
So,
Now
syempre,
you know
fairness, doble ako sa age niya.
Totoo. Alam mo yan.
Oo. Sometimes understanding is the best thing that you can give to your friends.
That's respect.
Oo.
That is
Because
respect.
that is tantamount to respect,
Sure.
that is tantamount to giving them space, and that grows the relationship as well.
And hindi naman kasi kailangan, like, kung magkakaibigan ka, hindi naman kailangan everyday magkakasama kayo.
That's true.
Diba?
At everyday active ako sa GC.
Correct. Hindi naman
Kasi
yan-
marami rin tayong ginagawa.
Hindi naman yung basahan na.
Oo.
Diba?
But whenever you have the time, it would be easier to actually reconnect. Ako, I have friends whom I haven't talked for a long time, but the moment you see them, it seems like not a single day has even passed.
I agree.
Oo, that's the
I-
bond that you create.
Totoo.
Di ba, Ses?
Yes, I agree.
Oo.
Ako, nakikita ko rin yan sa inyo, sa mga kaibigan mo.
Oo.
Noel, sila Ate Bon.
Oo,
and
Ate Bilay,
Bilay.
even Charmaine,
Yeah, Ate Charmaine.
Sheldon,
Ate
everyone
Genevieve,
else.
everyone
Oo.
else.
We don't see
Ate
each
Chris,
other.
exactly.
We don't talk to each
Fatima.
other. Yeah, Joseph. Those are the lifetime friends we have
Yes.
that are worth appreciating.
Mhm.
And sometimes friends also become your family.
Ay, naku, totoo. Just for
Diba?
these people na na-mention namin, pretty much, ito yung kasama talaga namin every time. May malas naman because you were
I'm
far from
always
us.
away, I
Yes.
always travel a lot, I work
Yes.
far away.
Yes.
You can also depend on them, which I think everyone is entitled to have those really quality and good lifetime friendships.
True.
Because that adds to your empowerment. Basta ako, I always believe, di ba there was one movie, yung, yung kay Anne Hathaway, The Intern ba
The
yun?
Intern, yes.
Ang sabi niya, I've always believed, like for women, if they have wine in their hand and career in the other, parang ganon, I know they're capable of shopping. Ako naman, we can recoin it by saying, if we have just coffee in one hand, confidence in the other, wisdom personally, I know we can make it and we know we can be empowered. Oh.
Yun ang gusto kong sabihin. Yun ang gusto kong sabihin talaga. Naunahan ako pala.
But you know, it's genetic.
It is. Totoo yan. Yun na yun talaga gusto kong sabihin. Naunahan ako kay Miss President.
Yun ang mga major
Alam mo yan.
takeaways mo,
Alam mo
friend.
yan. Alam mo
Oo.
yan.
That's why ako, since yun nga, even this first episode, no, we've always said I've always been a coffee person. Because that's part of my lifestyle. That's part of my self-care. Whenever I have coffee, I feel like I'm taking care of my body. But because in the past, the coffee wasn't that healthy.
Lalo na kasi you are with Green Mile.
Ngayon, Green Mile has given me the chance, the opportunity to enjoy coffee like no other before.
The best option.
Yes, the best and
Choice.
healthier choice. Especially that now that I'm younger, I still enjoy a hug in a mug.
Mhm.
Oh, diba? Because coffee is a fuel that powers dreams. I'm able to deliver, I'm able to work, I'm able to achieve, accomplish things despite all other, let's say, humps or say, other challenges. Still, you're able to move forward and progress no matter how little the progress is. It still is progress, but I always now enjoy a good cup of coffee.
Question pa lang. Kasi, di ba tayo dito, in your previous jobs kasi, you feel like you're really working. Here, it seems to me like, We're enjoying. It's not.
Yes.
It's not work. It's
It doesn't feel like a chore
right.
at all. Ngayon kasi, I think, one thing also that probably has made me realize when I got the Green Mile is part of being an employee or a job, no? More than the job, you feel good that you're able to share a healthier journey to those who actually take our product.
right.
Diba? The focus is no longer just on the numbers.
Yep.
The focus is more of we are proud to share our
Yes.
product to our Green Milers, to the public, to the consuming public,
Healthy product.
that these are healthy, we can vouch for its quality,
Indeed.
because we also work with the best product development people and best suppliers, and we can vouch for the product. Iba rin yung ikaw mismo, alam mong gusto mo ang produkto mo.
Correct. Correct.
Diba?
Kasi makikita natin yan, totoo kung genuine ba yung tayo promote tayo, for example. We will promote a certain brand, pero alam natin, hindi natin gusto. Makikita mo yan eh, facial expression,
Sincerity.
gestures, di ba makikita mo yan? Pero dito, di ba, alam natin na ginagamit natin, nagugustuhan natin. Kaya ganun tayo ka-proud and ka-confident to promote it or to share it to our, di ba, to the public.
And I'm also happy that even our own staff
Yes.
really love our product and
Yes.
use our product. Na ako rin, personally, wherever I go, I really take my coffee with me.
Yes, of
Regardless of the travels, no matter how far, I always take it with me.
Diba?
Because-
Nakaabot na sa New York,
Yes.
sa Italy, sa
Yes,
Australia.
even our G-Milers
Oo, Dubai.
are now used to bringing their own coffee. I had a very good friend who visited Italy recently. She really brought the coffee, no? When she got back, she said, May, I'm leaving in November for another trip. I would have to bring another box of coffee from my stocks because this time she wants to have the coffee every single time.
Speaking of, buti na lang na-remind ako, ano, may mag-order pala sa atin. Dadalhin sa San Diego! And today, October 1, may order siya para naman dito sa Philippines na stocks niya. Ay, buti na na-remind ako. Tatawagin na madam.
Oo.
Diba?
At sa
Madam
ating
Orchid. Sa Madam
Oo.
Orchid Sonaya, siya po yung nag-order.
Very good. And who do
Shout out
we
to
shout
you.
out?
Sir Michael Nalin, shout out to you,
Hello, Sir Michael. Thank you for watching.
Yes.
Make this your Wednesday habit.
One of our distributors, and he is located in Marikina.
Hello po! Good morning, happy Wednesday! Win! Kasi panalo tayo sa Wednesday na to.
Indeed, Wednesday talaga kasi ang daming aral na kapupulutan ang discussion natin today. That was just the first question I have
Wala, marami pong wala, friend.
Diba? Can
Akala
you
ko sinagot
imagine?
ko na lahat.
ang ganda lang kasi, madam, sa lahat ng mga nanonood, lalo na sa mga kaidaran ko, 22,
Hoy!
30,
Na-stress ang 44.
diba? No, the younger generations, our generations, ang dami-daming kapupulutang aral talaga. Legit.
Yes.
I hope you are all watching and hindi man ngayon, maybe mamaya kasi popost naman namin to.
Oo.
Take a time to watch and listen.
Yes,
Take
maraming
a time.
mapupulot
Yes.
na aral dahil
Totoo.
marami ho akong ginawang let's just say, life happened to me so much. I had everything. So,
For a reason.
For a reason.
Diba?
Because that's the reason why I'm living and loving my best life now.
Indeed.
Because I've learned a lot. Sige nga, ano pa yung mga question mo,
Next,
friend?
madam.
Ba't yun maka-pressure? I'm 22 years old.
Well, nasagot mo na yung pangalawa kasi common ba siya kahit sa age nyo or sa career
Oo, we
nyo.
still do
Diba?
self-doubt.
Oo. Yun, meron na. Yung, eto na lang ma'am. Tips to welcome growth and empowerment.
Okay. So growth, I think, especially for the younger ones, it would always be on keeping an open mind. Open to test drive new ideas,
Yes.
open to get into new experience. Ako, when I was a young professional, when I graduated, I just took any job. necessarily aligned with the course I've had, no, I graduated from. I took teaching as a job for 4 years. Then I hopped into another job, but without me knowing about it. Now looking back, I realized those types of job has contributed to my total experience.
Right.
So now I can relate to whoever works in BPO because I did BPO.
Yes.
I can relate to a teacher. I know how it is to prepare. During
Because
my
you were
time,
a teacher.
I prepared 9 preparations, 9 subjects, 11 sections I was teaching. And I know how it is to, compress my time just to prepare for every preparation. I also know how it is to work for, say, a highly corporate job. The pressure, the bull sessions,
Right.
the bloodiest deadlines. I know it is. I know also paano ang maging working with a really technocrat, high-profile bosses. Paano tumakbo sa eroplano, mag-hop sa chopper, tumawid ng tubig, kumano ng barko. I know that. Lahat na pagdaanan natin. So I think these are things that we can share, not
Right.
only to our Gmilers, but to all the viewers, no, young and even my age. And I also know how it is to be a single parent, to be a working parent,
Right.
to be a supporting daughter to the parents.
Yes.
So pretty much life has happened to me, which I'm pretty sure I can share, not just my journey with Green Mile, but also some tips on how to really, kasi sabi nila, empowerment also comes from powerful choices eh. Di ba, Day?
Yun ang gusto ko sabihin.
Genetics ulit.
Naunahan ka na naman. Nakakaloka naman. Naunahan ako palagi. Ayoko na to. Ayoko na to. Pero
So,
yes, totoo.
Oo, totoo, di ba? Alam ko rin maging budgetarian.
Actually,
Na, working with a budget.
Actually,
Oo,
hindi.
because that's how life has been for
lalo
us.
na, yun na nga, na-mention natin before, you were once a teacher,
Yes.
earning 86 pesos,
Oo.
blah, 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 blah. So, with all these things, kasi ang dami na experience sa madam, di ba?
Mm-mm.
And, ano may advice mo sa students, sa mga employees? Kasi before mo na-reach yung pagiging president,
Hugi, nakaka-pressure.
or chief executive officer, or CEO, di ba?
Mm-mm.
Nangagarong ka niya.
Yes,
Ito
lahat.
kasi,
May boss ako.
She always gives me advice ng paano yung pangagarong ba?
Meaning having a boss,
Yes.
being an employee,
Yes.
being a staff. It's totally different. Even now that I am in this position, you are still accountable to principals,
Yeah.
meaning the owners.
Totoo.
That's why you have to make sure that the project you're working on has to work. Because every single role in the company does entail responsibilities, deliverables, and it's not easy to deliver. It is very inconvenient. It also has to be aligned with your values, your choices, your decisions. At the end of the day, it's all about character and values. Diba? Kasi the bosses will see you naman when you're hardworking. The bosses will notice when you deliver. The bosses will know your competence. You just have to keep moving forward. Keep going. Keep the humility also. And being able to be open to communication. Communication is the key. Whether lateral, magkatrabaho tayo,
Yes.
whether to your partners, or whether to your bosses,
Yes.
and whether to your staff. Communication is very important. That's why keep the open mind, be open to test drive new ideas. Communication is very important. And just being you. But you also need to adjust to other people. Hindi yung sabi, accept me as who I am. Di yan also, friend. Dahil who you are is not professional enough, I will not accept you. Okay? You also have to respect that. Na ikaw, as a professional, then you have your own ways and styles. But us bosses also, because we want to develop and reconcile everything in an organization, we also have certain guidelines. And that, you being part of the organization, has to also work with it. Don't say and don't tell me, accept me as who I am. Di mo ko nanay, friend. Diba? So there are certain boundaries also.
Hello.
I'm so sorry.
No, di ba? Ang kataan nito, friend, this is
Yan ang realidad.
yes.
Oo.
And napaka-spontaneous namin, di ba? Kasi ito rin yung pinagsasasabi niya sa akin.
At yan, ito rin ang show na walang script.
Walang script. oh.
Everything is
Wala tong
impromptu.
script.
Yung sasabihin ka lang, ito ang topic, basta ito ang direction. Okay na yan. Let's take it.
Nagsusubukan ko lang yung direction, ganun.
Oo,
Ganun
oo.
yung
But you
spontaneous.
know what? It's easier kasi to share when it's true.
True, and it's
And when
genuine.
it happens,
Yes,
it's
yes.
easier to share experiences. Because in the totality of life, it's the experience that make you grow.
Correct. And relatable tayo pag ganun.
Yes.
Diba,
yes.
diba?
Yeah, it's relatable because we've gone through a lot.
And I'm sure a lot of people are already inspired by your story.
Ay, Mother
In the first
Teresa.
episode and up to now, this is your second episode.
Yes.
actually.
And we
With
will
us.
have more.
Of course, kasi Wednesday is COOD.
Alam
Nice
ko,
kayo.
okay, nagpa-pressure
Diba?
ako sa impromptu mo.
And ang kagandahan kasi, since we are in Greenwell, yung conversation, mas maganda siya over a cup of coffee.
Yes.
Diba?
Kasi diba nga,
Sorry. Over a cup of green coffee.
ay, wala! Bongga!
Of course,
I
diba?
think it's becoming chronic now.
Diba? Hello!
It's not just pandemic and endemic that's becoming chronic.
Chronic.
Even
Totoo.
Green Mile Coffee is
Yes.
becoming chronic to
Yes.
every single community.
Yes.
Bongga talaga.
Genetics ko, wala ko talaga, inaalis ko talaga. Friend, lahat yan.
Oh, yes.
Spontaneous and
That's right. The impromptu show.
Kaya diba?
Yan talagang Green Mile session.
Session, impromptu talaga to.
Oo. But that's nice. At least we get to talk about
Yes.
relevant and significant topics as well.
Indeed.
Because we're not only sharing our product, how good it is, but also we're trying to share our lives to you, our experiences to you. And I think that's one of the best things that we can do.
True.
Yan.
So, that's it for us. Maraming salamat, madam.
Andyan si Angel!
Ay, shout out to Sir.
Hello, Angel!
Yes, hello po.
One of our G-milers!
Hello po.
Yes! Uy, hindi ko ito nagamit today. Gusto ko to.
Gusto niya yan.
Oo, masyado akong napaisip kasi impromptu. I was too, tawag nito, I was too in character. Oh, in character!
Pero yun nga, madam, maraming salamat.
Yes, thank you everyone for another Wednesday.
Wednesday talaga. Wednesday, lalo na sa mga nanood, I'm sure nakarelate sila sa story and
Yes.
ang aral na napulot nila sa mga senior mo.
Mm-mm.
Just to, ako nga everyday yan, friend. Every day. My gosh.
So para akong principal.
Principal. Diba?
But you
Ganun.
see, every day. Ayan.
Sabi ni Sir Michael Marine, maybe you can have an episode with G Malan sharing their healthy experience, etc.
Yes, you are welcome to join us.
Yes, ito. Nung
Every
first episode,
Thursday.
first episode, connection namin before all welcome to come here. Maybe you can share your own
Experience. We can schedule you, Michael, if you're willing.
Yes.
Because last Thursday, we had one G-miler.
Si Sir
Sir
Rodney.
Rodney Rosilio. So in one of those Thursdays, we can take you in.
And tomorrow,
And tomorrow, we have, ito maganda.
Diba?
Because ang wellness, ang growth, of course, ang living our best life will have to tackle financial wellness. Financially.
Wala.
And we are getting it from an expert.
I am
Tomorrow,
excited.
na-surprise na.
I am
We will
excited.
post kung sino ang
Yes.
guest natin. But this is an expert investment banker and who really is good about investments and growing his finances. He also started with humble beginnings.
sabi ni Sir Michael, not necessarily me, yung mga pogi kesa sa akin.
Manalo!
Okay naman,
Yes,
sir.
yes!
Wala
Oo,
naman
anyone is welcome.
Correct.
You can also watch Robin's episode last Thursday. Yeah.
Napag-set ako tomorrow.
Tomorrow is another another one. And actually,
Oo.
he is also G-miler.
He is.
He is a G-miler. Quezon City.
And he's a believer and he drinks our
He
coffee.
drinks our coffee every single day. Ang
Yes.
ganda. It's a very interesting story tomorrow. I'm excited.
Another cup of Green Mile coffee tomorrow. Na
Yes.
maraming kapupulutang araw. So, again, maraming salamat, Madam
Thank
Maria
you
May.
for a Wednesday.
Pitilia. And this has been Seth. I'm and this has been Green Mile Session Episode 3.
Yee! Bye everyone. Have a good Wednesday.